Hey everyone, so yeah, last night we arrived in Lachen, as you know. Had a good night, had a great dinner. It was very, very chilly, to say the least. I think there were icicles on the towel when I went to have a shower this morning, but absolutely stunning. You can see up there behind me the snow-capped mountains. We're sort of like the village is sort of like the side of a hill. The other side is just waterfalls and vegetation and amazing. And woke up this morning and we've just wandered about 30 meters from our hotel and we've come to check out the Lachen monastery, which is a Buddhist monastery here in Lachen. So yeah, we'll go have a bit of a wander around and yeah, see what it's all about. Wow, what a treat that was. Behind me is the prayer room here at the monastery, and normally it's all locked up and you're not allowed in, but because the monastery is actually undergoing renovations at the moment, so there are no monks here, and it just so happened that the guy who cleans the prayer room was here, so our guide asked if we could possibly go in and have a bit of a look around, which he very kindly said we could, and it was just incredible. Every single wall is just covered in intricate hand-painted stories, the history of Buddha. Every service is ornately carved, and there's beautiful tapestries hanging from the roof, statues of different gods and different important figures in Buddhism, and just they asked us not to take any videos, so obviously we didn't, but just absolutely, yeah, amazing, beautiful. Alright, bags are back on the bike. Our guide's chomping at the bit, so we better get going off to Lachung with a few stops for some sightseeing on the way. Alright, we were cruising along, came around a corner. This is becoming a common theme. I just had to stop because I saw this little village, I suppose you'd call it, across the other side of the valley from where we are. It's a collection of maybe 20, 30 houses. They'll have little plots of land to farm. Our guide Doa told me they farm like potatoes, carrots, all different types of vegetables. And the only way they've got to get over this side, where the road is that little bridge down there. So they have to walk down from the village, across the bridge, back up this other side. And look at the backdrop of where they live. Stunning. Now Dawa has just told me it's the village of Bitsu, up here in North Sikkim. What a way of life, eh? Is here? So for something different, we've come across another beautiful waterfall. This is the Bimnana Falls. Now I was thinking it'd be quite remiss of me if I saw all these beautiful waterfalls and didn't at least try and like get my head wet, so to cleanse myself a little in their pristine, beautiful waters. So there is someone here taking entry, so I'll just see if they're going to stop me or not. But let's go. Alright, so I managed to get to here. Woo! And it's very cold, very refreshing. I'm glad I've got my wet weather gear on. Woo! The rocks are incredibly slippery, so I can't go any further. Alright. Oh, I feel sufficiently cleansed. Time to head back. Woo! Oh man, that was awesome. Definitely not the smartest thing I've done. It's really cold here, now I have soaking shoes. And yeah, a little bit wet, but that's alright, it was worth it.
What is going on here? Whoa. Alright. So that cow obviously didn't like the look of ours.
Alright, so just a few more k's down the road from my impromptu waterfall shower. We arrived in Lechung. We've checked into our hotel. Still got a few hours of daylight left, so we're going to head up to Viewpoint. It's about a kilometre away or something, so jump on the bikes, head up there and have a look at that. After that, I think I might go for a bit of a walk around town. Just yeah, check it out and buy some snacks for tonight, so should be good. Sweet, 5 minutes ride, about 20 hairpins, and we have arrived at the Lechung Viewpoint.
Oh doggy, oh come here. Hello my man. Hello my man, oh hello. Oh, hello.
Another super friendly mountain dog.
Hey, good dog.
Wow, so that was the Lechung Viewpoint. We're up here for probably half an hour, 40 minutes, just soaking it in. There's, yeah, the majesty of these mountains and the beauty just, yeah, can't be described. Absolutely phenomenal. Alright, gonna head back down the hill and wander around town to find some snacks. We have popcorn. I'm gonna call it a day for wandering around now. It's getting quite dark and the temperature drops rapidly when the sun goes down. But gee, yeah, how beautiful. Walking around here, you really get a sense just how ancient this land is. I mean, even the new buildings will have an old stone wall at the front of them. There's little streams and rivulets running through here. It's just amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the hotel, see what we got cooked up for dinner.